Before you begin, remove the main service door, keyboard, drive service door, top cover, card reader board, battery, USB board, system board, display bezel, webcam board, display panel cable, and display enclosure. Removal. Remove the 4 T8 Torx screws that secure the hinges to the base enclosure. Slide the left hinge towards the right, and then out towards the front to remove it. Slide the right hinge towards the left, then out towards the front to remove it. Replacement. Slide the right hinge back into the base enclosure and move it into position over the DC in connector. Slide the left hinge back into the base enclosure. Replace the 4 T8 Torx screws to secure the hinges to the base enclosure.